So here it is, starting to get dark, but this is actually later than usual. This is a whopping 6 p.m. and look how bright it is out. I have done what I mentioned earlier and cut the rear end here. The, what I like to call the motor chassis mount. So the snowblower is the motor chassis, and this wood doohickey is a mount. You can see there's less of a space in between these two studs right here. So it is 5 inches, well, you know, shorter in the back, and hopefully that should help put more weight on the back and onto the wheels, giving it more traction and making it easier to drive around in the snow and stuff. If this doesn't turn out well, I'm going to have to figure out how to pile cinder blocks onto the snowblower to give it even more traction. Maybe make like a little wooden frame to put it right around here-ish. But I haven't tried driving it yet. I will probably be leaving that for tomorrow, and I am not sure if it is the ground or what, but it seems that Marduk is listing a little to my right, his left. You can't really see it, I guess, on camera, but maybe you kind of can. You can see that he's going this way while the house is going that way. So I'm not sure if that's the ground or there's something hinky going on in the legs, but I don't think there's any damage. But if there was any damage, I think he'd start falling over himself, like in the previous video where, you know, heard the large snap in the left leg, wonked out. But something interesting I have noticed, that even though it looks like he's listing, this wheel is still off the ground. So this means there's not going to be as much weight distributed on 5 points, one for each wheel, but instead it will be distributed on 4 points. This little feller not included. So maybe that will help add a bit more traction. I'm hoping it will. I mean, again, I'm not going to be doing any tests tonight because it is about to get real dark, real fast, and I'm gonna have to cover up Marduk's face again. He decided to take it off, I guess, while I was at work. Wanted some fresh air, but unfortunately that means he can get snow and stuff all on his camera. And you know, again, I do have spares, but it would be a big pain in the butt to have to go up there, take the head off, and rework it. And his arm is creeping out. I don't know how that happened, but that is all for today, I suppose. So be sure to like and subscribe if you do like my content. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.